out here. Sometimes it's just nice to get out in nature, you know. If you're watching this now, this is your sign to go out in the nature, take a walk, go to the nearest beach, I don't know, wherever you live. There's going to be something, a local park. Just take a walk in nature. Forget about your exams for a second, forget about your work, forget about the problems that you've got going on in your life. Just spend some time in nature, because trust me, it will do wonders for your mental health, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Because like for me,
It's been amazing.
there's been a lot of assignments lately, focusing on business, gym, and all of that. It feels like life is going by really quickly, so sometimes you just need to pause and just live in the present. Oh yeah, and excuse my skin, by the way. My skin is looking awful, but it's a work in progress. I'll get there. Give me 2 weeks, my skin will be shining. You feel me? But yeah, spend some time in nature. Trust me.
It's beautiful. It's cold, but it's beautiful. So worth it.
It feels like you can see the end, but you can't see the end because it goes out so far.
Yeah. The ship has barely even moved.
Oh yeah, that's.
I think it stopped moving actually.
No, it's just going very, very slowly.
Wow. It was over there, and then within like 20 minutes, it was just over there. We came from up there.